we decided that we wanted to produce a big collage piece. This huge 24-metre presentation shows the journey of a fashion student's work. We look at research, we then go into initial drawing, then development work, and then into final illustrations, and then final garments. The lovely thing about the presentation is because it's got some of that level 3 work in as well, you'll see the progression of level 3 through to level 4, level 5 and into level 6. And even some MA student work is in there as well. Our students can obviously progress from level 3, further education, right through to higher education with us and right up the way up to level 7. Some are actually with us in NCUC now doing their level 7s, but most actually are working in industry. So they're coming back to see this presentation unveiled. Fantastic for their CVs, fantastic for their current employers to see the progress and progression that they've made throughout their education and then into their career.